Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Volvo V60. From any screen, click on nav there, up it comes. If we click nav again, that brings up the new menu and we want to set address. To set the address, you navigate to the one you want, click OK, and then there you go, country, Wigan, city, click on city, and then we need the postcode. So there you go, just move the rotary control till you get to postcode, click OK on the postcode, the green bit at the top, and then here we go, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. We need to go to numbers now, so it's already gone, it's already highlighted numbers. So if we click on numbers, then 5, 4, we need to go back to letters, so select that and click on it, and then JS, PR5 4JS, it's come up on the screen. We click OK again, set house number 175, yeah, we'll go with 175. Set single destination, click OK.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it, that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.